back to the Kanak Infosystems YouTube channel. So in this video, today we are going to understand about role-based access rights and permission in Odoo. Now what does this actually mean? Let's understand this by example. Let's have a company. A company has a multiple employees working under that company, right? But every employee does not have access and permissions to everything. Every employee has some restrictions while other employees have some accessing rights, right? All of this can be managed under this topic. So let's see this by the code and how is this being performed. Here, first of all, I have created a security file. In that, we have to create a privilege. Now, what does this privilege mean? Privilege is a category. Here we are creating a category for vendors and payables, as you can see here. Under this category, I have created a group and linking this group by privilege ID to this privilege of vendors and payables. Later on, we are going to attach a menu to this group. What does this mean? Here, attaching a menu to this group means that this menu is visible to only this group users, else other users does not have access to this menu. Similarly, I have created another privilege for customers and receivables, and then giving a group users and then menu to this privilege. Now let's see how does this works. Now here, let's go to the settings, users and company and users. In users, let's go to Michelle admin. Here I am accessing, you can see vendors and payable is selected and customers and receivables are selected over here. Now let's go to the invoicing. Here you can see this, both the menu items are visible. Now again go to the users, into this Michelle admin user, and here if I am removing accessing rights for this too and saving this record. Now let's go to the invoicing app and refresh. Now you can see that no menu items of vendors and customers are been visible over here. So that's how this access rights will be working. Now let's see that what records can have a access to what people or what employee. Now for that, let's go to the code. Here I have created a new privilege for customer access. Here under this we have created three groups, that are group sale assistant, group sale officer and group sale manager. Now, and all of these are given privilege ID of customer access. Here new thing over here is that domain. We have added a domain condition, and as per those condition, records are been visible. Here sale assistant can see their customer only. Sale officer can see company customers and manager have access to all customers. Let's see how this works. Now let's go back to the users again. Settings, users. Now I'm going to the Abigail user. Here in customer access, set sales assistant and save this record. Now go to the contacts app. Here in Anita Olivier, go to sales and purchase and set salesperson as Abigail Peterson and save the record. Let's do this for one more contact and saving this record. Now logging out from the Michelle admin and log in with the Abigail. Now go to the contacts. Now here you can see only two contacts. That is, whatever we have seen, that sale assistant can see their own customers only. So this condition satisfies over here, right? Similarly for the sales officer and sales manager, that sales officer can only get to see their own company customers, while sales manager get to see every records of contacts and employee. This is how whole role-based access rights and permission works, that as per their role and as per their responsibilities, they are given accessing and permission rights to employees. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe this video.